Alright guys, today in our Slick2D tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to actually use an item. So last time we made a basic item right here. Hopefully I can eventually improve on this a little bit. I'm actually going to be changing this up a little bit. I want these to be down here. You don't have to do it like that. I'll probably end up actually having to fix all this off camera, but I'm going to set it up like that now. So we need to use an item. So first off, we need to check if item added is true. So if item added is true, actually no, we don't put that in here. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to go into our world map. And what I want to do is I'm going to set in this update item 1. But we need to actually do inventory dot item 1. So this should be constantly running item 1. Wait, if key is pressed P, then item 1. That's how you add it. Okay, that's actually how you add it. But I want this to be constantly running. Actually, no, I do not. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to be checking it in this update method itself. Actually, no, we can actually do a check method in here and then run it out there. That way it looks just a little bit cleaner. So in this, we're going to do a public static void. And I'm going to call this item checker. Item check is better. So in item check, we're going to be item 1 added is equal to true. This is basically going to say, so if item 1 added is equal to true, then we are going to do something. So in this case, where's my speed on the character? What did I name it? We don't need that right now. Actually, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do inventory dot item check. That's going to be constantly rechecking item check. I think I have an error in there. Let's save that. There we go. So if you look here, character position. No. Where are we looking? Times 0.1f right here. What we can do is we actually change this to speed. So we're going to change each one of these 0.1f's to speed. Now what this is going to allow us to actually do is it's going to make it so we can actually change how fast our character is going. So say you drink a cola, or I don't know, whatever they want, whatever this game wants, then your character can actually just go faster. But I'm not going to put it in this method in here. So actually, I need to fix this. I'm going to put this in inventory. That way I can access it through our second map. So basically, no matter what map we're in, the speed is always going to be the same. Because if you only did it like this, it would only be changing it in this one map. So inventory.speed. There we go. So in here, we're going to create an integer called inventory.speed. Or just speed, sorry. Static int. Actually, let's put this above boolean. Static int speed. So originally we're going to set this to 0.1f. That's how we had it start off with. So actually this needs to be a float. But if inventory 1 is added, and actually let's just do an and in here. So if inventory 1 is added is true, and let's say we press actually no, here's how we're gonna do this. How do I want to do this? Because we can't actually check actually yes we can. Input if key is pressed. I don't know if this will work in here, but let's try it. World map. Can we actually take our input? Okay, so where does this have to go? I'm not sure if we can take an input and put it in here. No, we can't. So what we'll do is we'll just do since I'm only doing a world map, we'll do world map dot input. Would that work? That will not work. So we're not doing an and. So if inventory one is down, and let's say you item, or no, do world map. Oh, actually, let's say item one used is equal. Yeah, let's do that. And item one used is equal to true. Then we are going to set speed equal to 0.5f. So item one used doesn't exist right now. Static boolean item one used. Originally it's going to be equal to false. So now in the world map we have to do another one of these. So if we press, let's say if input dot is key press, or let's just do down, is key down input dot key G. Let's do G for now. So if we press G, then we're going to set inventory dot item one used equal to true. So now I think this should work. So let's try it. So now we're walking around at this speed, P. So now if I hit I, we see we have item one in there. Now if we hit G, yes, we're faster. But now we're not done. When we press G, we want item one to use to be equal to true. And so actually in here, we'll set the speed to 5. But then we want to say item one. Oh no. We're going to remove. Wait, why do we have inventory there? We don't need inventory here. There we go. So we are going to remove item one. I think this all should work now. So we have P, I shows it in there, and then hit G and it removes it, and we can run around as much as we want. Now actually though, what I want to do is actually edit our item a little bit now. So instead of having a string, actually, yeah, never mind. For now, we're gonna leave it like that. Eventually, I want to make it so actually we add in Actually, no, this looks about good. Oh wait, no. Here's how what we're gonna do. We're not gonna add the item one. What I want to do is I want to actually add a parameter in here. Or no, I'm just gonna add a name. So string name item one name is equal to item one. So basically what this is going to be doing is now instead of removing this name right here, we're just going to be removing item one name. That way, if for some reason, because we don't want it to actually accidentally mess up and add, so actually, we're going to want to put this up here in our item one section. So we'll actually rename this item one. So basically what we're going to be doing, what kind of change item one to static? Yeah, okay. So now what we're doing is actually adding the variable item one name into our list. So now when we remove item one name, it's only going to remove item one name, and just in case the string is the same, it's not going to remove another string on accident. So we hit P, and we hit G. As you can see, it still removes it, and we still run faster. We might edit our item a little bit more in the future, but I think that's going to be it for now. So yeah, thanks for watching.